Hi, I'm Hugh. I'm one of the co-owners of Toshack Service, and I'm here today with Dave. Dave is one of our senior service technicians. We're going to talk about AC cleanings. So cleaning your air conditioner, why is it important? Well, this unit here is a 10-SEER unit. It's a 18-year-old air conditioner, 10-SEER. That's how they rate the efficiency of them. 10-SEER is not very efficient. You can't buy a 10-SEER anymore. So this unit is going to cost you money, quite a bit more money than a new unit will, just if it's running perfectly. But if it's not running perfectly and you don't do maintenance on it, it's going to cost you double. I'll show you, if you can bring the camera around back here. Look at the dirt on that coil. We talked about in one of our furnace cleaning videos, heat exchange. You can't have proper heat exchange, that is the airflow going through that coil, with that kind of dirt on it. And that's the kind of thing that Dave will look after when he does a service cleaning for you. So Dave, I'll just ask Dave to walk through the steps, what he does basically when he does an air conditioning cleaning for you.
Okay, so in a typical AC maintenance, I will check the condensing coil for cleanliness. I'll spray it out with a cleaner and a garden hose just to make sure it's clear. I will check the evaporator coil inside the ductwork in the basement and make sure it is clean. I will check the pressures on the unit, check the charge, check the subcool, the superheat, amp draws on all the motors and capacitor. We give it a really good thorough maintenance. When I check charge, I'm actually checking the refrigerant levels in the system just to make sure they are right on and perfect. With the correct levels in the system, we'll have the most efficiency we can get out of the air conditioner. So if you want to prevent those costly air conditioning breakdowns when it's extremely hot out, give us a call and we'll come out and have a look.